In this video, we will show you how to remove debit or credit card on Google's. When you have ordered a product from Google, maybe you need to remove them for your privacy and for your safe account. In here, to remove your debit or credit card from Google Payment, just open payment.google.com payment.google.com and hit enter. After that, you can click payment methods here. Just click payment methods and click remove. After that, you can click remove the payment method. This is my debit card. Just click remove. Then you successfully remove your card. It's debit or credit card. And this is the safest if you don't use the product from Google again. And that's all tutorial how you can remove your debit or credit card from Google. Thanks for watching.